guys, it's Emily from Hopscotch Interactive, and hey, glad that you're here with me on the channel today. I wanted to send out a video to everybody because it's midweek, it's Wednesday, and it is the beginning of the slower season. We are heading into the middle of October, almost the end of October, and we still have 2.5 months left in this year. But for a lot of the real estate photographers and media creators that I know, things have already started to taper off like they usually do, with a little bit of seasonality to their business. Now, if you were like me, you had no idea about this in the beginning, and I actually launched my business in November. So that is a really funny thing that I did many years ago now, looking back and going, why did I do that? But for the rest of us who recognize this as just regular seasonality, and maybe some market effects and market cooling right now, I wanted to give you 3 or 4 things, that maybe even 5, that you can do when it is a little bit slower. Number 1, you can go around and take neighborhood photos. Now, what are neighborhood photos? These are stock photography imagery, like on a beautiful day when you've got fall leaves. Hit the town and go to some of the places where there's a great neighborhood for restaurants or for hanging out, and a little bit of a scene, because those are going to be awesome images for you to keep in your archives, and you can use those for many different things. Number 2, you can check your books. So what does that mean? That means go through and clean up, look at your Dropbox, look at your G Drive, check those desktop files that have been lingering, or those downloads that have been lingering. And it's a great time to get organized and kind of take a little bit of an inventory on, are you using space that you don't need to use anymore? Did you invite people to folders that maybe you can stop sharing? This is a really wonderful time of the year to do those kinds of things. Number 3, I think it's a good time to part ways with some gear. It's the end of the year, meaning it's time for maybe you to think about some investments you need to make in your business. And I always like to do Q4 inventory to see, can I buy a computer? Can I buy some lenses? Are there any cameras that I have my sights set on? And look for some deals, because you can also offload gear that maybe is stagnant in your inventory and you're not using. So those are 3 things that I would definitely recommend. And a 4th, if you have the time, this is a great time to watch how-to videos, check out some of the great content that you might have missed, conferences, webinars, podcasts. There are so many podcasts and things that are now available to you. So that's another great thing that you can do, and sort of occupy yourself in a very productive way that will set you up for the future when things do get busy again. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick midweek check-in with everybody. I hope that you're doing well. I hope to see some of you at the PMRE conference in November in Las Vegas, which is coming up. I think there's still a couple tickets left, so go ahead to pmreconference.com and check that out, or maybe it's pmreconference.org. I will put the link in the description, but if you like this video, if you want to get more, more tips, maybe even motivational talks like today about things that you can do, and always reviews and content and things that will help you understand the technology that is coming into your field of view as things move along and progress in our industry. This is the channel for you to be at, and thanks so much, and have a great day.